118 and 119, trailer 28, 533-0067, 533-0067. I believe it's a name. What's your time? 10-4. Jones, but we're still rolling 62 miles an hour. 631 million. Y'all got spikes. 37. Copying traffic on county get to John. We're in the oncoming lanes. Sped up to 80. Should be 237. Pulling over about Razorback concrete.
All units are secured.
John, retime of traffic, we're stopping 18 Razorback concrete.
10-4.
Roll the windows down. Roll the windows down. Roll the windows down.
Jones, I'm talking to him on PAs, not compliant.
Roll the window down. Roll the windows down.
You up here with me? So we got a call, 1026. We were doing 60, slow roll from y'all from 119. Speeds up to 80, leaves in the oncoming traffic. So
Okay.
I'm calling it fleeing.
Okay.
Roll the windows down. Exit the vehicle with your hands up, face away. Exit the vehicle with your hands up. Exit the vehicle with your hands up. Exit the vehicle. Get out of the truck. Get out. Get out of the truck with your hands up. Get out of the truck with your hands up. Exit the trunk with your hands up.
1050's rolled the window down, still not stepping out of the truck.
57.
Doing a takedown, got Leachville in him.
Exit the truck with your hands up. Exit the truck.
You got your phone on you?
Yeah.
You got the translate out?
Yep.
way. Turn. Get down. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up.
123 dispatch.
Put your hands up. Keep coming this way.
We see if they're good over
Hands up.
over there.
Keep coming. What's going on with you? You're driving in oncoming traffic, fleeing. Walk this way. Walk this way. Keep coming. Keep coming. We're getting behind this car. Go, turn around, face the car. Go down to your knees. Yes. Place your hands in the small of your back. Get 'em. Is there anybody else in the truck?
Sheriff off Del 4.
You got him? Alright, move with me.
You good here? You need further assistance? Group?
Clear from what you can see? Start at one zone. 15 with a male vehicle's clear. You can give me next large. Your English good? Obviously it's decent. You just don't want to listen?
I don't really know that,
Do what?
I have no idea what you mean by that.
What? Well, you didn't pull over. You start driving in oncoming traffic, speed up, flee from me, and then you don't want to exit the truck. That's what I'm talking about. Stand up. How much you had to drink? Swap these. You don't know what I'm talking about? Yeah. It's all on video, bud. I get it. Walk over to this passenger side. You can have a seat. You loaded or empty?
Delta 231.
Huh?
Loaded?
Go ahead.
Indeed, nothing.
What are you loaded with?
This really hurts right now.
It's gonna hurt.
Okay.
What are you loaded with?
I don't know, like rice or something?
I'm good if y'all gotta get up.
I got that.
Appreciate you. Appreciate you.